Dwarf planets. From Big Bang to now. Dwarf planets unlocked, exploring the universe's greatest mysteries.
Pluto.
Pluto is a small, icy dwarf planet discovered in 1930 and named by an 11-year-old girl, Venetia Burney. It's about one-fifth the size of Earth and found far beyond Neptune. Its surface is icy with a heart-shaped glacier called Tombao Regio. Pluto has 5 moons, with Charon being the biggest, and it takes 248 years to orbit the Sun.
Charon, the largest satellite of Pluto. It was discovered on June 22, 1978 by James W. Christie. It has a diameter of 754 miles, and Charon got its name from a mythological ferryman who carried songs across the river Acheron.
Styx, the innermost, was discovered in 2012 by Mark Showalter in the New Horizons science team. Only about 16 kilometers wide, it orbits delicately between Charon and Nix, stabilizing Pluto's moon system. Nix, found in 2005 by the Hubble Space Telescope Pluto Companion Search Team, spans roughly 49 kilometers. Its pale, reddish tint may come from Tholine's organic compounds from Pluto's atmosphere. Kerberos, discovered in 2011 by the same Hubble team, is a dark, double-lobed moon, about 19 kilometers long, suggesting a merger of two smaller bodies. And Hydra, discovered in 2005, shines brightest of all. Roughly 50 kilometers wide, its icy surface reflects sunlight far across the Kuiper Belt, completing Pluto's mysterious moons.
Ceres.
Is the largest object in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, about 940 kilometers wide. It's made of rock and ice with possible salty water beneath its surface. Discovered in 1801 by Giuseppe Biasi. It was first called a planet, then an asteroid, and now officially a dwarf planet. The first ever visited by a spacecraft, NASA's Dawn.
NASA's New Dawn mission, launched in 2007, explored the two largest worlds in the asteroid belt, Vesta and Ceres. It was the first spacecraft to orbit two bodies beyond the moon, powered by advanced ion propulsion. Dawn revealed that Vesta is a dry, rocky world, while Ceres holds ice and signs of past water, offering clues about our solar system's early history. After more than 11 years in space, the mission ended in 2018, with Dawn remaining in silent orbit around Ceres.
Eris.
Eris is a dwarf planet located in the distant Kuiper Belt beyond Neptune. It's about the same size as Pluto, but slightly more massive, making it one of the largest known dwarf planets in our solar system. It was discovered in 2005, and it has a highly elliptical orbit that takes it much farther from the Sun than Pluto. Its surface is extremely cold and covered with frozen methane, giving it a bright, icy appearance. Eris also has one known moon called Dysnomia.
Eris has a very small moon called Dysnomia. Dysnomia has a nearly circular orbit lasting about 16 days. This moon is named after Eris's daughter, the demon goddess of lawlessness. Dysnomia spans about 25% to 29% of Eris's diameter.
Moki Moki.
Maki Maki, a dwarf planet discovered on March 2005. It is the second brightest object in the Kuiper Belt, with a radius of approximately 444 miles, one-ninth of the radius of the Earth. It is composed of frozen methane and ethane. It also has a reddish-brown surface, and when it reaches its closest point to the Sun, it can also develop a very thin atmosphere. Makemake also has a satellite unofficially named MK2, which has a radius of 50 miles and also 1,300 times fainter than Makemake.
Haumea.
Haumea is one of the fastest spinning objects in our solar system, and also a dwarf planet that is located in a Kuiper belt. Haumea was discovered by a US team led by Mike Brown to the Palomar Observatory in 2004. It was first noticed in May 2004 and then announced its discovery in July 2004. Haumea has two satellites named Namaka and Hayayaka. Haumea and satellites are named after the Hawaiian goddess of fertility and childbirth and her daughters respectively.